like.
You're not gonna react? Oh, oh.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We have some work to do now.
Assesses the situation. Where do you want to go? Oh shit! Oh my god, darling, are you okay?
What the? What the? This is up. It's
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
Alright, step 2 in not getting tackled by your dog. All you're going to want to do is turn around and say, hey, don't tackle me.
It's a chicken dog. What have you done? What have you done?
Going super fast, and this lizard hung on the whole way. Look at him. That's the look of a man that's seen God.
Run.
FBI, open up!
Good job.
The choice is yours.